So I woke up this morning and I was like, what is the most useful, practical, just overall good idea that I could do, build, and add to this bus and just make it overall more effective? And my brain wandered around, and then it made a U-turn and came back, and then school bus spoiler. At one point in your build, you're gonna be like, damn, this is gonna be great. But I'll be damned if it ain't funny. This is what we got. We're gonna sit right up here, give it some height, maybe 6 inches, 8 inches, make it nice and high. And like, look how good that curve is. Like, the curve is almost exactly the curve of the school bus. Like, I would love to say that I did that on purpose, but that just happened. Some shit don't go right, and then some shit just goes right. I like the way it's looking. All that's left is to make a little bracket to hold it on to the bus right there, and right there, and right there. We got a school bus spoiler. I love saying that out loud, bro. What a stupid idea, but it's just such a good idea. Anglar! Go! I'm done!
Whiskey and coke, I'm the man.
Got these little end pieces, and that is the last cutting of metal I have to do.
There she go, there she go, there she go, there she go away. She can't escape, can't escape inevitable. Hey. So run away, run away, run away, run away from pain. If she can't fix it nor fight it, then she must drink it away.
Yo! I love it. I love it. Dude, it could not have been better. I'm burning y'all on the track. I'll see y'all in the quarter mile, bro. What? 6 seconds. 6 second quarter mile in this thing now. It's the most ridiculous thing I've done to this bus for sure. Thanks for watching the video. If you like seeing like a school bus spoiler, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, leave me a couple comments below, give me some suggestions, tell me what I did wrong and what I could do better. Subscribe!